everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can see if you've been blocked on iMessage. First, go to contacts and search for the person that you want to check. You can also open messages and select the conversation with that person. Once you've opened the conversation between the two of you, just press the camera button at the top right corner of your screen and press FaceTime video. If you were able to call that person, that probably means that you are not blocked, and you might want to wait for a few seconds or even minutes to check if that person will answer your call. After doing this step, open settings on your phone. Once you've opened settings, just scroll down until you see the FaceTime button, which is just below messages. Here, you want to ensure that the FaceTime option is turned on, and you'll know that this is turned on if the button is color green. Once you've done that, you can go back to your messages and try messaging that person and checking if the message will be sent. If the message has been delivered, it probably also means that you are not blocked on iMessage. Once you've tried doing that step, you can go back to settings and then go to Wi-Fi to check your internet connection. Be sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection because having unstable internet may affect your iMessage and FaceTime. Once you've done all these steps, the final thing you can do is check if there are any software updates for your phone. If there are updates available, just press update and wait for a few minutes or a few hours. And that's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.